Welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm sharing with you guys today, I'm building my income from scratch using tech. First step I did, if you guys are wondering, I used my dev skills to land a freelance client. How did I do this? I do some outreach process to message these clients, and at the end of the day, he end up chatted me up on WhatsApp. So I landed the gig and landed the client by converting to sales for me, and I built their Shopify store myself. No fluff, just exact two step and lesson I learned from it. If you are a techie or freelancer, you are going to love this. So this doesn't require a fancy tools, like fancy tools. What I mean by fancy, something a complex tools that you can be using. What I just use is my virtual studio code, Shopify Liquid, because Shopify, immediately you own a Shopify store, it comes with its own theme editor. Maybe you install your free theme, which is we have different kind of free themes. You can start with free themes. So if you want to customize your theme to your taste, like you want to customize it to your taste, you know your customer taste, so you want to customize it to that level. So inside this Shopify Liquid, that's where you will bring it together on how you want every step, every section to look, every template, the way you want it. You can customize it anyhow you want inside this Shopify Liquid with your test skills. Is either JavaScript, CSS or HTML. Though in terms of knowing about HTML is something like relating with Liquid, because that's after you using your JavaScript and CSS, for it to be display, you need to apply it inside this Liquid or in your HTML. You know, in some other website, there are some website whereby they use HTML. That's where the HTML will just display the website, and what you integrate into the HTML, it will display it. What you ask the HTML to do, it will let me say it stands for as a structure of your website. It's a structure how you want your website to look. Yes, that's how Liquid also stand in Shopify. You just add your custom features using JavaScript, or your custom styling using CSS, and build everything on a free div. Yes, that's how you can build it. I know how to code, but there is what I have to adapt to. Shopify structure. I hope I said something earlier that Shopify Liquid is where you want to customize your store, how you want it to be structured, like section, templates, and themes. So with that, you can easily to customize your Shopify theme with Liquid. Yes, I didn't wait around. I picked some offers cross freelancing platform on Fiverr, on Upwork, and also I send code DMs most times on my social media platform, and also I do code mailing sometimes. So that very day, I was trying to make my research, and also I edited this website, or let me say I do some outreach. So and I message this client, and for God so good, she messaged me back on my WhatsApp. Yes, she messaged me back on my WhatsApp. You can see the conversation. You see how we started the conversation. She said, "Hello, blah blah blah. I wanted to bring my website back online, so I was unable to bring it up because I'm not a techie. I don't know how to bring things together in Shopify. I've been trying to do this for a while." And I said, "Don't worry, I can help you to do this. Send me the login." At first, I don't ask for money. I wanted to give out value first, because I said I have the solution with me. I can build and customize theme. I let her know that this is what I can do, this and that. So I went during the conversation, she asked me what's the budget. I said we can start with low budget first, because I don't know your budget. I don't know how you are currently, but you can open up to me. So I just say we can how if you can start with $150 for now. So from there I landed the job just not being charged high, because I know with that, I started with that, I can still move forward and I'll request for another fee from her. Shey you get? So with this, I landed this job and everything turned around and everything just worked smoothly, no stress. I uploaded the product, I did blah blah blah, I did, and she was happy. She was happy about the product. She was happy about what I did for her. Like, to me, it's a simple task to me, because the money I charge is money that, okay, I know this money is too small, but she know that that money is small though, but based on the value I give to her, I get a recommendation for her most time, because I work with maybe like 3 to 4 clients. I have 3 to 4 clients. Yes, she gave me that. And I like that. Yes, this is where tech meets business. When I said tech meets business, yes, all the code I've been showing you through my virtual studio code, and the communication on through the WhatsApp, and this is where the work is gang gang gang. Let me say this is where the work started, because I added their products, built a clean homepage with trust section, and optimized the checkout. And I used JSON templates, disabled unuseful features, and added custom code for product tabs. I hope you grab what I'm saying there. So what I mean is that in tech, I use my tech ability to modify the liquid theme.liquid and the product JSON, because the product JSON, that's where we can fetch the product data. That's where product data will be populate, like that's where we have the product details. Like if you have any product with their ID, you want to map it out, you want to do this, you want to do that, that's where I did the tech, everything. I put everything together. I do the brand asset from Canva. I did everything. I put everything together. The theme editor, and also the website is very kind, beautiful. Yes, it's somehow good. So based on everything I will show you, you know that this tech plus my tech skills and the freelance and everything and how I landed this job is something that is just something that, how will I put it? Like, if you have the experience, there's no how you will not land it. There's no how you will not do it, because if you are in a, let me say, you need something, and you have something that is valuable, and you want to make use of it, and you know people need what you have. Yes, you know people know what you need what you have. You try to bring it together. Yes, bring it together for you to be useful for you. Okay, so during this process, I edited the liquid code. Like I said earlier, liquid on Shopify stand as the structure on how you want every single pages to look. How you want every single pages to look. Yes, and the product.json is somehow, let me say, how the code, the product data has been, immediately you upload the data, product to Shopify, all the data have been sent to Shopify database. Yes, all the data have been sent to Shopify database. So for you to manipulate, like to fetch it out, for you to display on the way you want it, for you, so inside this product.json, that's where the data will be. So it will send it back to the database that, okay, this is what I need from you, this is what I need from you, this is what I need from you. So that's it about that. And also do the brand asset from Canva, all everything, and everything went well. Everything went well. All unnecessary features were disabled, and added custom code to it. So as time goes on, you'll be adding some features, and also work with some other clients to learn more, because the more we do, the more we work on a particular project, the more we have more experience. So now I believe you guys have grasped one or two from this tutorial. we have grabbed one or two. Yes. So I want us to do some follow up. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you um to keep following the process, because in this channel we'll be learning a lot. I'll be showing a lot of things. So with this, I believe we have some ideas now we can bring together as a tech or working as a freelancer, to bring it together to land a job, to learn how you can bring your tech skills, how you can let your tech, or you want to become a tech, to work for you. So don't worry, everything will be shared on this channel. If you don't know how to code before, we will have to bring that up. I'll make a tutorial for that. So with this little experience I shared with you on how the tech side went, and how the conversation started with this client, and how I started building this store, how I built this store to this stage. Yeah, tech gave me the power. Yes, when I say tech gave me the power, because tech gave me the ability to make this work, while freelance gave me the income. Do you know when I say, okay, freelance give me the income, whereby through freelancing I get the income with the power of tech, while Shopify gave me the product? Yes, Shopify gave me the product. Why did I say that? Because the tech power that I have, freelancing make me to get a income, while Shopify gave me the product. But there are what really help. Number one, offer a clear service. Let the clients know what you want to offer them. Yes, let them know what you want to offer them. Don't just do blah blah blah. Show result fast, because if you show them what they want in a quick, like fast, they will be happy. Yes, they will be happy that you don't joke with their job. You don't joke with their work. Yes, that you take their job serious. And use tech to stand out from basic sellers. To those of you that you're a techie, you know about tech, use it to stand out from just a basic seller that, okay, you are in the same field, and based on they don't have enough skill that you have, use your tech to overtake them. Yes, use your tech to overtake them. This project wasn't perfect. Yes, it wasn't perfect, but it was real. When I'm saying real, and it was started, no, nothing delay, and it was started, and I made about $1,000 and got two more referral from that job. Yes, if you want to build a freelance tech, like you want to build your freelance tech, you want to start the journey around Shopify or any other related website like WordPress, WooCommerce, or PrestaShop, all those stuff. Maybe you have your own skills, like in one way or the other, that you want to grow income around those e-commerce websites or platform. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be dropping every step as I grow. Yes, I'll be dropping, so we can learn together and grow together. So like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video.